Hi everyone. So what we have here is the iPQ check. So this is a BST flagship 100% defect print inspection system, 100% defect detection system. So this is the camera. It's a line scan camera. This is a RGB trilinear 4000 pixel camera. All right. So iPQ stands for increasing production quality. So this is exactly what the system does. So this is the HMI touchscreen, and this is the camera, and your entire printed repeat will be shown here. It's very easy to use. You can zoom in, zoom out. A key feature which separates BST from the rest of the pack is the clarity of the image, as you can see in front of you. Line scan cameras, typically you cannot zoom in because the amount of data required it gets to process is always little. That's why these are 100%, but you cannot zoom in and zoom out. But take a look at this. BST line scan cameras are really a cut above the rest. That's why all this, even if I zoom in, the image is not getting pixelated because the robustness and the quality and the technology of the BST camera system. Okay, so let's do some demonstrations. So besides the camera system, the other important feature of a defect detection, a good defect detection system, is the illumination. All right, we have purposely made this sort of a web where there are various kinds of dynamism happening. Some parts are opaque, some parts are reflective. For example, this which is we try to show that there's a chocolate wrapper, and chocolate wrappers are usually transparent, usually reflective. So over here, so I change the illumination setting, and even if it's highly reflective material, it has no bearing on our camera. Everything is very, very legible, and there is no dark image what normal cameras portray. Okay, now so let's see how the defect detection system now works. Okay, so this is a thin wire, and to show how a streak is formed and how a camera captures it. So I'll put it under the camera. Okay, you see, immediately the streak will be detected. It also classifies it as a streak, what time it's come, and after how many meters it's come. This all is shown, this all is captured immediately. Similarly, if there's a random ink splash, the camera will detect it automatically, immediately. And then if you go in the defect history, this defect which has occurred, when it's occurred, what time it's occurred, along with the image for the operator. How the material should be, but how it is instead. This was a defect which occurred previously, so on and so forth. In production itself, the trend analysis of the film is also shown. So for example, the QC manager or the shift supervisor, if he just wants to know in this particular reel which is printed, which defect has occurred when, he gets the entire trend analysis also. The last occurring defect was this. So there you have it, folks. iPQ check, 100% defect detection systems from BST. Cheers.